Atlas Earth best strategy when to buy badges. So the badges are location-based souvenirs you can buy only when you are physically at that space. So basically, if you're at that city or town or province or whatever, and I suppose it costs 200 Atlas bucks each. So over here, they fill your passport, which gives you a permanent rent boost up to 25% at 101 plus badges. But the general strategy is to wait until you have 40 parcels until you can get your first badge. So by doing this, they increase your rent more efficiently early on, and around 40 parcels, buying your first badge becomes worthwhile because it is a 5% rent boost. So it starts to compete with buying more parcels. If you already travel to a new place, you won't revisit often as well. You can break this rule as well and buy the badges then because of course it's gonna be a more rare opportunity. If you travel to new cities or countries, you can grab badges when you are there, even if you'd normally hold off. So you can prioritize the travel badges, since badges are harder to get than parcels because technically you must be physically present, which could cost more travel wise. So if you know you won't come back, then you can definitely just consider buying them on spot. So once you reach 150 parcels though, the optimal balance does shift. Most strategy, math, technicals, building parcels to this point before heavily investing in badges. Since after 150 parcels, only when buying badges steadily to reach higher passport levels. So this gives you a strong base rent before adding badge boosts. But again, the general idea is to buy badges in chunks that will help you level up your passport rather than a piecemeal one at a time. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.